The most common professional problem is not being bad at what you do. It is being impossible to explain. You have genuine expertise. You deliver real value. The people who have worked with you understand exactly what you bring. But when someone new asks what you do, the answer takes 3 minutes, involves several qualifications, and leaves the listener with a polite nod and no real understanding of whether you are relevant to their situation. This is not a confidence problem. It is a language problem. And it is far more damaging than most people recognize, because the person who cannot explain their value in 30 seconds does not get the referral, does not get the introduction, and does not get the opportunity to demonstrate the expertise they genuinely have. AI helps you find the exact language that makes what you do click immediately. Not a tagline. Not an elevator pitch rehearsed until it sounds scripted. The specific words that make the right person immediately recognize that you are exactly who they need. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why clarity is so hard to find alone. The reason most experts cannot clearly explain what they do is not laziness or poor communication skills. It is proximity. When you are inside your expertise, when you have been doing what you do for years and everything about it feels obvious, you lose the ability to see it from the outside. You explain it using the vocabulary of your field rather than the vocabulary of the person who needs your help. You describe what you do rather than what changes for the person you work with. And you include context and qualifications that feel necessary to you but are invisible noise to the listener. The people who are easiest to understand are almost never the people who know the most. They are the people who have found the bridge, the specific language that connects what they know to what the listener needs to hear. AI provides that bridge, not by simplifying your expertise, by finding the frame that makes it immediately comprehensible. Step 1. The clarity audit. The first step is understanding how your current explanation lands on someone who does not already know you. Give Claude your current answer to the question, "What do you do?" Include everything you typically say, the context, the qualifications, the examples. Then ask Claude to evaluate it from the perspective of someone hearing it for the first time. Specifically, what remains unclear after hearing it, what questions it leaves unanswered, and what type of person would immediately recognize themselves as your ideal client versus who would feel uncertain about whether you are relevant to them. This audit almost always reveals the same pattern. The explanation starts too broad, gets specific too late, and ends without a clear picture of who you help and what changes for them. Ask Claude to identify the single most important thing your explanation is not yet communicating. This is the gap the clarity method fills. Step 2. The outcome frame. The clarity method replaces description with outcome. Most experts describe what they do. I am a consultant who helps companies with their marketing strategy. I am a coach who works with executives on leadership development. I am a designer who creates brand identities. These descriptions are accurate, but they do not create the click, the immediate recognition that produces genuine interest. Outcome framing describes what changes for the person you work with, not what you do, what they have after working with you that they did not have before. Ask Claude to help you develop 10 outcome-framed versions of your work. Give it your expertise, your typical client, and the 3 most common results your work produces. Ask Claude to write each version in language your ideal client would use to describe the result, not the language of your discipline. The outcome frame that clicks is usually the one that makes your ideal client think, "Yes, that is exactly the problem I have," rather than, "Interesting, that sounds useful." Step 3. The who and what formula. The clearest professional explanations follow a consistent structure. Who you help. What problem they have. What changes after working with you. Ask Claude to combine your strongest outcome frame with a clear description of who you help into a single sentence. I help, specific person. who, specific situation, to specific outcome. Not marketing professionals who want to grow their brand. Marketing directors at professional services firms who have tried paid advertising without success. To build a client pipeline through content that does not feel like self-promotion. The specificity creates recognition. The more precisely you describe the person you help and the situation they are in, the more effectively the right people identify themselves and the wrong people self-select out. Both outcomes are desirable. Ask Claude to write 20 versions of the formula with varying specificity. Review all 20 against one criterion. Which version would make your ideal client immediately think that is me? Step 4. Testing and refining. The formula Claude produces is a starting point, not a final answer. The language needs testing against real reactions before it is fixed. Ask Claude to help you design 3 natural conversation contexts to use the formula and observe reactions. A professional introduction. A response to a new connection asking what you do. A profile description on a professional platform. Observe the reaction in each. Do people immediately ask a follow-up question signaling genuine interest? Do they mention someone they know who fits your description? Give Claude the reactions you observe after 2 weeks and ask it to refine the formula based on what produced the strongest, genuine interest. The final formula, after testing and refinement, becomes one of the most valuable professional assets you have. Your action plan. Starting today, give Claude your current answer to the question, "What do you do?" Ask for the clarity audit. Identify the gap. Build the outcome frame. Test the formula for 2 weeks. 30 minutes of work. A professional clarity that most people spend years never finding. What do you currently say when someone asks what you do? And do you think it lands the way you intend? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a clearer path to making people instantly understand your value, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.